Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi everyone. In this video, let us learn about calculated fields in Google Data Studio. In Data Studio, calculated fields help us to create new matrices and dimensions. Creating calculated fields means creating new columns in dataset by performing some actions like applying formulae on already existing columns. The result is displayed for every row in the dataset. The calculated fields can be created in two forms. The first form is creating a new column for data source. The second form is creating new column in charts. That is, for example, creating a column for this specific table only. These are known as chart level calculated fields. The data type of the calculated field depends on the output result. If the output is a word or a sentence, then the data type is text. If it is sum, average, or any aggregation, then the output will be numeric. If it is city, country, or state, then the output data type is geo. If it is date, time, etc., then the output data type is time. So, in this video, let us learn about creating calculated fields for data source. I have generated this report for sales data. Let me show you the data set. So this is the file that I have uploaded to Google Data Studio for creating report. It has various columns like invoice ID, branch, city, unit price, quantity, time, and rating. So with the help of these columns, let us learn about transforming data by creating calculated fields in Google Data Studio. So I will be using these three charts to show the demo. With the help of these three examples, let us learn how to transform data. So in this table, I have extracted three columns: invoice ID, unit price, and quantity. So let us create a new column, total price, which is obtained by multiplying two columns, unit price and quantity. In the second table, we have invoice ID and the rating given by the customer. So for this particular table, let us create a new field which gives the label for rating. That is, if it is between 7 and 10, good. 4 and 7, moderate. If it is between 0 and 4, then bad. One more data transformation that we'll be looking here is creating state column. That is, there are three cities in this data set: Bangalore, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, and we will be giving the name of the state for these particular cities. So these are the, here we can see the already existing columns. To these existing columns, let us add three more columns, that is total price, rating label, and state. In order to do that, click on add a field here directly, or you can also go to resources, manage added resources. This is the data source that I've added to this particular report, and click on edit. This page shows the columns, data type, and the default aggregation of the existing data set. These are the columns, these are the data types, and these are the aggregations. We can change the data type of the column if required here directly. Okay, now let us look at creating calculated fields. To do that, click on add a field. Give the column name. So the first example that we'll take is total price. So the field name is total price, and the formula for that is unit price. This column multiplied by quantity. This creates a new column in the data set with the name total price. And click on close. Now we can see that a new calculated field gets added to the data set. Calculated fields are represented by fx, which shows that they are the function which are applied on the existing columns. We can see that the data type of the output is number because we had applied multiplication on two columns. Let us create the second calculated field, state. Click on add a field. Give the column name as state. In Google Data Studio, the formula contains a set of statements, that is, let us call it a block. Every block starts with base and ends with end. In between, we need to write the function. So let us write the function. So this is how the syntax should be. Like expression match is the function, city is the column name, and Bangalore is the value. And Karnataka is the new value that we wish to give for state column. Similarly, the other two conditions. So click on save, and here it displays as calculated field saved, and then close. This creates a new calculated field with the name state. Here we can see that the data type is a text since the output result was the name of the state. Let us look at our third example, rating. So this example, we need to give the conditions, and according to the conditions, we need to create the label. So the third calculated field, let us directly create from the report page. Close this page by clicking on done and click on close. This takes us back to the report page. Let us create the third field, that is rating label, from here directly. Click on add a field. Give the name of the column as rating label. So start the block and end the block. In between, write the function. When rating is more than 7, then good. When rating is more than 4, then moderate. If the output is in inverted commas, then the data type of the output will be text. Else, if the formula is correct, it is indicated by a green tick mark. If there is some error in the formula, then it gets displayed in red color below. Click on save and click on done. So here we can see that a new calculated field rating label got created, and so let us reflect these columns in the charts here. Let us add the first chart. Let us add the the column total price that we created. And in this table, let us add the rating label calculated column that we created. So here we can see that for the values between 7 and 10 it is good, and for the values between 4 and 7 it is moderate, and less than 4 it is bad. For this table, let us add state. And let us view this report. So these are the 3 calculated fields that we created: total price, rating label, and state. The result is displayed for every row in the data set, and there are only 3 cities in the data set, so the output has only 3 rows. This is all about creating calculated fields in Google Data Studio. It is very easy and simple. Thank you.